All right, guys, today I'm gonna talk to you guys about the 3 top amenities that make a location good for rental arbitrage. For those of you that don't know, rental arbitrage is where you lease other people's property to start your very own Airbnb business with full permission from the owner or manager. Do not do this the wrong way. So welcome to the channel. My name is Rafa Loza. I've been in short-term rentals for about 5 years, and I'm here to teach you guys everything that I know so you guys can start your own 7-figure business. Been doing it for a long time, have people doing it, and trust me, if you stick to it, you're gonna love it. If you don't follow me, you know what to do. All right, so the top 3 things that make a property good for rental arbitrage, or the top 3 amenities, right? Number 1 is location. Number 2 is easy access. And number 3 is storage. Now, here's why. Number 1, the location. When you're doing rental arbitrage, you're doing a very different business model than if you were doing like a vacation home out in a desert or like a heavy vacation rental market. Rental arbitrage, you can go into large apartment complexes and lease out 1 unit or multiple units in 1 building and build a very scalable business. Well, location really matters because it's going to determine the type of customer you're going to be attracting to your place. For example, a 1-bedroom apartment works great in the middle of a city near an airport or near a hospital because you're going to be able to house that specific type of customer. That location is going to determine the type of customer that comes to your place. You can't do a 3-bedroom house near airport for a business traveler because a business traveler is not going to book that 3-bedroom house. And vice versa, you can't do a 1-bedroom apartment near Disneyland to house 10 people because 10 people are not gonna stay in a 1-bedroom apartment. You need to pick and choose a good location for your target customer, and that's the most important thing to know when you're trying to do arbitrage in apartment buildings. Apartment buildings, you're gonna have a lot of 1-bedroom apartments or 2-bedroom apartments, and you need to pick the right location where that apartment complex is at to house that specific type of customer. Hopefully that makes sense. Number 2, when you do rental arbitrage and you pick the location and you like the building and you know the customer you're going to bring to that location, you need to know how easy it is to access. Easy access is crucial because you don't want your guests to get lost, confused, and not know where to go when they're trying to find the door, right? Let's say you find one 1-bedroom apartment in a 500-unit apartment complex with 7 different buildings. They're out there, and you get to park in point A, and then your guest has to go through this maze, right, to get to point B, where it's the door, or they have to maybe park here and then go through gate 1, then walk 100 feet, go to gate 2, then go up the elevator, go to the 7th floor, and it's like, dude,
what the hell is this?
How easy of access is this place? This is really key when you go out and find a location. You need to make sure it fits your customer's needs. Don't just get in the building just because you're getting in the building. If your customer is going to have a bad check-in experience, it's not a good location and it's not good for them because now you're going to get, number 1, a bad review, number 2, complaints, and people are going to be getting lost all the time. It's just going to be a nightmare. So easy access is crucial when you're doing arbitrage in a large apartment building. Number 3, storage. The beauty about rental arbitrage is you can scale very, very fast. You can open multiple units in 1 location and have 5 or 6 running short-term rentals in 1 building if you do it correctly and you have a good relationship with the manager or the owner. Like I've been telling you guys, you can open a lot of units at once. Well, when you open a lot of units at once, if there's no storage on site, where are you gonna put all your consumables? Where are your linens gonna go? You gotta think in terms of operations. For example, you're not going to have 1 closet per door with your entire consumables and linens in every single individual apartment. You're gonna be ordering stuff for 5 different units, 5 different times. 5 boxes of coffee, 5 different types of boxes of toilet paper. Like, it doesn't make sense. So if you can get a little storage location on site or near it, you can have a central storage where you can order everything for all 5 locations. Now, maybe you might need to only order 2 boxes of coffee and then your cleaners can go and grab what they need for those units to do their turns. You also want to think of economies of scale. When you're doing arbitrage, you're not going to have your guests wash linens in the apartment because they're not going to have time. This is a smaller place. They got to clean it fast and be out. They're not going to sit there and wait for the washer to wash, the dryer to dry, and then fold the clothes and then put it back in the closet. You're going to need to know where all that stuff's going to go, and therefore you need to build a system for that to work. And storage is crucial because now you're going to have your cleaners show up, do the turn, take the dirties, leave them in storage, and then you can either have someone pick them up later and take them to get washed, or your cleaners can take them, wash them off site, and then put the cleans back in that storage so that the next checkout, they grab what they need and go to the new place. These 3 things to me were like the top things to look for when looking for a property to arbitrage because it's what's going to help you scale, it's what's going to help you build a good system, and it's what's going to help your guests not get confused or lost. There's a lot of other topics out there that other people might think are more important than this, but I've been doing this for a long time and it always comes down to the location for my guests. Is it easy access for my guests? And where can I put all my consumables to make my operations make sense? Just my personal opinion. Let me know your thoughts. Are you an operator? Do you run short-term rentals? Do you do arbitrage? Let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to network, talk about this stuff because we can all learn from each other. See you on the next one.